Does more views mean more money? No doubt you've seen it. You've got PewDiePie, you've got Mr. Beast, you've got the prank channels, you've got all of those videos that go viral. Charlie bit my finger. Leave Britney alone. Funny news channels that talk about sex cinemas open up in London. Videos that get millions of views where they're just reviewing adult toys. Versus channels that are dedicated to finance, mortgages, educational content, business, stocks and shares, Bitcoin. Some of these channels will earn millions, and some maybe not as much, and it may be a little confusing for you. I consult for many clients, and I've been on this platform for about 8 years. In a past life on YouTube, I managed a YouTube channel with around about 40 million views, 40 odd thousand subscribers. Over the lifespan of that channel, which was about 5 years, it made less than £5,000 with 40 odd million views. On the flip side, this channel gets around about £250,000 views per month. Last month made around about £400-ish in just YouTube adverts alone, and by the end of this year I should be filing in a tax return for 6 figures. You would have thought that the previous channel that was getting nearly 1 million views per month would rake money in, right? This is the common misconception of YouTube. It's the business behind YouTube. It's the audience that you lean into. For many years on this platform, for the last 2, 3, 4 years for that matter, kids content was king and queen and toddler. Why? Because it was family engaging, it was harmless. You could have any brand advertise against it. You weren't gonna get some I'm stood in a Japanese forest kind of problem with Ryan toys. But on the other side of that divide, you had shock content and idiots and pranks and people throwing mattresses into swimming pools in £1 million houses. Now the difference between those two is that kids channels could possibly sell affiliate links to the toys. They were wholesome, they were advertiser friendly. And on the other side, you've got the idiots that are jumping off of roofs and driving blindfolded down roads that were able to sell mass quantities of merchandise to their audience to make up the shortfall. This is the thing that will blow your mind. One of the best performing videos on this channel is me talking about CPM rates. It's me talking about the business of YouTube, making more money on YouTube. It can get anywhere between $15 and $40 CPM per 1,000 views. Why? Because it's an interesting topic for high paid, high yield businesses to advertise against. If I talk about starting a business, generating passive income, affiliate marketing, there's other people that want to sell their product against those, their courses against those. They want you to invest in their click funnels, and they'll throw loads of money at it. On the flip side, let's say I'm doing an adult toy review where they've sent me the toy and I get to wave it around and poke at it. The problem there is that it's not friendly for kids. It's only good for selling that product and nobody wants to advertise against it. You will get demonetized or you will be isolated and put on the limited list. So just because a video gets millions and millions of views, don't assume that they've got thousands and thousands of pounds off of it. But if you do optimize the video properly, let's say you're sat there and you're reviewing a specific microphone or you're talking about a specific service, not only do you get the views because it's advertiser friendly, but I could also then start driving you to services. You'll notice in my description down below, I offer relevant services. So when I'm next telling you how to improve your audio, I'm pointing maybe at a microphone. Maybe next time I'm telling you how to improve the retention of your videos by using intros and outros and pop-ups, you're having a look at the link down below from Placeit. Maybe I'm telling you how to broaden your audience by making sure that it's internationally available by using things like subtitles with rev.com with a link in the description. I went full-time on YouTube with 3,000 subscribers. I'd been on this platform for about 14-15 months. I wasn't even actively monetized by YouTube, but I was able to make an income enough to pay my rent and feed me. And let's be honest, I'm pretty well fed. So this is a very common misconception that millions of views means millions of bucks. And another common misconception is that subscriber counts matter. Watch this. You'll find out something amazingly interesting, that subscriber counts isn't the most important metric.